So this video looks at editing pipe runs. So if you spot the deliberate mistake when routing the pipework, you can see that I've actually put a riser in the middle of the corridor. I need to rectify that pipework, and I need to break the pipe on this floor and the appropriate floor above in order to reinstate it correctly. So what I need to do is go to the Insert menu, select Flows, and then just double click once on the pipe run. That now creates a section here. If I level up, I then also want to do the same thing on the top floor. So what I want to do again is Insert, Flows, double click. That then enables me to select and break that entire section downstairs, where I can then delete. What I now do is reinstate the pipe run. Selecting Flows, I click on the small box, and I confirm it's not going towards the emitter. I then select the position I'm going to drop, level down, move to. Level down, move to puts me into the ceiling void of the ground floor, where I then continue routing my pipe run. Then I double click on the box to connect that successfully in. So effectively, changing pipe runs, you need to actually delete sections of pipe by double clicking at each end of the section you wish to remove, clicking on it once and pressing delete on the keyboard, and then reinstating the pipework as shown. And again, when we display calculate, that will then calculate the pipes.